Welcome to the video, Get to Know 7Excellence, Part 2. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the different module options available for the 7Excellence benchtop meter. The first module we see is the yellow module. This module is dedicated to measuring pH and redox. It has a mini LTW socket to connect the digital sensor. Below that, there's an input for the ISFET electrode. Then we also have a cinch socket for temperature probe and BNC socket for pH and redox electrodes with multi-pin or S7 cable. Next, is the purple module. This module is for measuring conductivity. The top socket is used to connect the digital conductivity sensor, the in-lab trace. An external temperature probe can be connected to the cinch input, and a mini DIN socket is used to plug in the conductivity probe to the module. Moving on, there is an orange module for measuring pH ion. At the top of the module, there's a socket to connect the digital electrode, and below that, a cinch socket to connect the external temperature probe. A small input for the reference electrode can be found below that. The last two sockets are the cinch and BNC ones used to connect the multi-pin or S7 cable. Finally, we have the blue module for dissolved oxygen measurements. The top socket is the digital one for the in-lab Optiox probe, while the next socket can connect the external temperature probe. Below that, cinch and BNC sockets are available to connect the in-lab 605 ISM sensor to the module. Now, we show you how to install these expansion units. When installing the expansion units, it's important to insert them by sliding them through the rear part of the 7Excellence towards the front. When properly inserted, you should hear a click at the slot. Remember to always install modules when the 7Excellence is switched off. Lastly, remember to keep the 7Excellence clean. It is crucial to maintain optimal performance. Simply use a tissue dampened with deionized water to clean the housing and screen. Be careful not to use wet cleaning for the sockets. Check out part 3 of the video to learn about the touch panel function.